Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about how to update or change account information or username profile on your Discord account. If you're interested in the video, be with us till the end. Log into your Discord account through the browser or through the app and go to the user settings at the below left. Now, as you see this page, directly click on the Edit tab under the username section. From here, you can change your username as you please to anything you want to. You just have to make sure to enter the current password to save the changes in the username. And after entering the current password, click on the Done tab. Now, if you want to update or edit the email address, just click on the Edit tab besides the email. As you click on the Edit tab, just enter the email account that you want to put. Make sure that email account has not been registered before, followed by the current password. We won't enter it for now. Now, if you want to edit the user profile, just click on the tab, and as you see this page, you can change the avatar by either uploading a picture or an animated option. We also have the option to change the profile color. Just click on the custom, and from here you can see a lot of colors as you go and slide through the whole color tab. And there are a lot of colors and you can change it accordingly. And after you're done changing, you can just save it. So let me just save this. Click on Save Changes. But as I'm not able to change the profile color, so I'll just click on the custom and I'll just directly enter random numbers to check which colors do they possess. So for example, I'll just type 2 3 4 5. Okay, it's like a navy blue color. Let's change it to green, maybe blue. So yeah, this is the color that I want to set it. After that, just click on Save Changes, and that's it. Your color has been changed to a customized color. Now escape it, and that is it. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you liked the video or if the video was helpful, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified each and every single time we upload a new informative video for you. Thank you.